GPT models have revolutionized natural language processing, becoming the driving force behind numerous AI applications. Let's embark on a journey to understand the core components and principles that form the foundation of GPT models. At the heart of GPT models lies the transformer architecture, which is a pivotal advancement in modern NLP tasks. Transformers employ self attention mechanisms to capture intricate contextual relationships amongst words within sentences. To make all this work, GPT models undergo a two-phase process: pre training and then fine tuning. During pre training, models learn language patterns and contextual comprehension from extensive text data. Fine tuning then tailors the model to specific tasks, making it adaptable and versatile. The attention mechanism empowers GPT models to weigh the significance of each word within a sentence in relation to others. This dynamic understanding of context enhances the model's ability to generate coherent and contextually fitting text. GPT models employ embeddings to represent words as continuous vectors in a high dimensional space. These embeddings capture semantic relationships, enabling the model to grasp word meanings and contextual intricacies. Embeddings are crucial because they allow the model to understand the relationships between words, detect similarities, and generate coherent responses. GPT models generate text autoregressively, predicting each word based on the preceding words. This process ensures that generated text flows cohesively while maintaining contextual coherence. Different sampling strategies influence the creativity and randomness of generated text. There are several techniques to control output, like temperature scaling and top case sampling, that empower developers to control the diversity of the output. GPT models excel in generating creative text, whether crafting poetry, short stories, like the traveling computer programmer, or even generating computer code, like the Python and JSON sample that I just showed you. By inputting text in one language, GPT models can produce coherent translations in another language, showcasing their adaptability and capabilities. And these models effectively answer questions based on provided context, making them invaluable for tasks like QA systems and information retrieval. And these are the foundational aspects of generative pre-trained transformer models, also known as GPT. All these essential components are what empower the GPT models to generate human-like text as well as understand it. But as I mentioned, the GPT models from OpenAI are not alone. Let's talk about what else is out there.